Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto insights. All the links mentioned in this EXMO review are down below in the description. This overview reflects my personal experience using the platform. EXMO, a crypto investment platform review, my user experience. EXMO, a UK-based cryptocurrency exchange established in 2014, stands as a veteran in the crypto trading landscape. Having been around for nearly a decade, it's carved a niche for itself, particularly among users in Europe and the CIS region. This review delves into EXMO's key features, its suitability for different trader profiles, and its overall viability as a crypto investment platform. EXMO boasts a user-friendly interface, a variety of fiat deposit methods, and competitive trading fees, making it accessible for both newcomers and seasoned traders. The platform supports a diverse portfolio of over 50 cryptocurrencies, including major players like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and a range of popular altcoins. A significant strength of EXMO lies in its extensive fiat support. Users can deposit and withdraw funds in various currencies, including USD, EUR, GBP, RUB, UAH, and others. This is facilitated through diverse channels, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, SEPA transfers, and e-wallets like Payeer and Adcash. This robust fiat on-ramp makes EXMO particularly appealing for those transitioning from traditional finance to the crypto world. Beyond basic trading, EXMO offers margin trading, staking services, and an API for more advanced traders seeking greater control and functionality. Security is a priority, with EXMO employing standard two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for safeguarding user funds, and full KYC verification to mitigate fraud and enhance platform integrity. Operating under European financial regulations adds another layer of trust and reliability. EXMO further incentivizes user engagement through a referral program and a cashback system, rewarding active traders with fee discounts. The trading fees themselves are competitive, starting at 0.3% per trade, with further reductions available for high-volume traders. EXMO also has its own native token, EXM, which offers additional fee discounts and rewards when used for transactions on the platform. While EXMO offers numerous advantages, it's important to note its limitations. It's not ideally suited for US-based traders due to its regional focus on European and CIS markets. Furthermore, although its interface is user-friendly, it might lack some of the advanced charting and analytical tools found on larger exchanges such as Binance or Kraken. In conclusion, EXMO presents a solid option for European and CIS investors seeking a dependable, fiat-friendly exchange with multiple deposit options and competitive fee structures. If convenient crypto trading with seamless fiat accessibility is your priority, EXMO is definitely worth considering. Click the links in the description to explore the platform and get started.